Dear students and working accountants, welcome to my Expert Tally Prim YouTube channel. My name is Baburao from Hyderabad. See, for the last many days, I am now not able to make videos due to health problems. So now it's okay. So I'm going to continue the videos. Now, today in this video, we are going to discuss about the automatic manufacturing entries already we learned. Then with the two different units, there are many more than one unit. That is, there are two units. The previous case, in the previous, say I will, in the previous case, there were only 1 minute. Now we are taking up 2 units that we will take up before entering this topic. Our request to you, every person just don't leave the channel just viewing the video. Every person surely you subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon next to the subscribe button and select all so that you will get notification for all the videos which I upload in my channel. And one more important thing is everyone, please watch every video till the end. Don't skip in the middle. If you skip in the middle, you will learn the topic up to that point only. The balance part you cannot understand. So it is just like a half knowledge. In the colleges, when you are attending the college, you will spend 2 3 hours. So here it will be less than 1 hour. The video will be 40 minutes or 50 minutes or the maximum less than an hour. So by spending that time, you will learn very good knowledge related to the tally time. So that is what you have to spend the time. Okay, now we'll enter into the topic. So I will share the screen. See here, previously, I'll take the problem. In the problems we did, one problem I did and one problem I asked you to do. So in this case, assembling of keyboard, assembling of desktop computer. So for that, so the raw material is the in units, the unit is pieces or numbers. And we are manufacturing in pieces and numbers only. So the material required for the manufacturing will be in pieces only, and we sell also in pieces. That's all the finished goods in these two cases. So first one we did, second one I asked you to do. So just pause the video and you can see the problem and you can try that. The third one is there are two new items in this. One is there are some opening balances, opening balance sheet on the beginning of the year, and the opening balances we have to enter into our tally. This is the one. And another one is so the materials we are purchasing in 1 unit, that is in kgs, we are purchasing one item only in pieces, all our items in that is in kgs we purchase. And then you have to manufacture a print product. So to make 1 unit of the finished goods, we require different materials in a different unit. That is, we are purchasing in kgs, manufacturing the finished product also in kgs. But for manufacturing 1 unit of the finished goods, we require the raw materials in another unit that is in grams. So for manufacture of all the items, more number of items, you require kgs, more items also, more quantity. But for each item to manufacture, that is for manufacturing 1 unit of the finished goods, the requirement is in another unit that is lesser than that unit. So in this case, there are 2 units. So how to enter in the tally? How to because otherwise, previously we didn't that everything will be the same, the work will be the same. But the manufacturing of when you are manufacturing, selection of the units will be less. So here, for every raw material, we have to give both the units, pages and units. So we are giving both the units. So this is called as alternate unit. So main unit is kg, and for that alternate unit is grams. And how many grams is 1 kg? This we have to then select and we have to define in every raw material. Okay, and when we are purchasing, we have to purchase in kgs, and then when we are making the bill of material, that we have to do it differently. We have definitely for each item, we have to take the alternate unit only, because if you do the amount, you take the main unit. So alternate unit you take. Logically, it will be converted into main unit, and in brackets, you do the alternate unit also. So this is what we have to do. So first of all, see, I created the company. Here, I changed the little name. So this one I have taken Balaji Foods, and in Telugu, I did the same name I have taken, Balaji Foods Private Limited. Here, Balaji Foods, I taken. Okay. And now here, how it is created is, we know how to create the company, how to create the company. See, it is given as 2324. I am taking 24, 22, first April 24. So everything that state and everything I given as accepted. And then in the F11 features, so maintain accounts, maintain inventory, then this may enable goods and services tax. We have to automatically take the state, and we take regular, and the state, I mean the GST PIN number also we will take down, and then accept. So this is accept. So this is accepted. So this is accepted completely. Now what we have to do? We have to take the, we have to create the liabilities and assets. These masters we have to create and get the open balances. In this case, profit and loss account and cash, profit and loss account and cash, these two will be already available. Cash and profit and loss account, it will be available, already created when you create a new company. They will be created by default. All these two only will be created. All other ledgers are masters only. We have to create. When you are creating, we have to give the opening balance also. And for these two, they are already created. We have to give only the opening balance. So these four I have to create, and when I am creating, do that one. And after that, go to all. This is go to create page or alter page. You create this and give the opening balances. These two already created. Go to alter page and give the opening balances. So first of all, I created already. See, capital. I created, see, capital. So capital creating, and it comes under capital account. Comes under capital account, and at the end, so after that, when you come to this side, or after this capital, when you come to this side, you can so go on clicking enter. So you will come to the last field, that is opening balance. The first April 24. I am taking 2420. So capital 2,75,000 you have to give the amount, and depending on the group we have taken, it will select group they have selected. It will show the credit, the balance is credit and debit. So liabilities are always debit, capital is always debit. So if you click, so it will show credit. So here the opening balances, debit balances and credit balance will be shown. If there is any difference, to show the difference. So this is the credit balance. So it is showing as credit. So there is a difference. There is no debit amount. If you enter another credit amount, it will be added. If you have another debit amount, it will show separately on the bill. So it is the next one is loan from SBI. So loan from SBI. Loan from SBI. So it comes under, it is loan only, loans liability. But for bank loan means you have to do security. That is why it's called as secured loan. And then now you can do, instead of going on entering till the end, from here you can give control end. If you click from here, so complete this side, come this side, just click control end to come to the end. That is the last field. So what is the amount? 1,22,000. So this is also a liability loan from bank. It is also a credit. This also will be added to the credit amount. This is over. Then we will come to this profit and loss account and cash will go later. For this only the no creation. Here we are creating. And then furniture. Go to furniture. So to furniture, and it will be under fixed assets. Here select fixed assets, and here GST applicability yes, and will not give any dates. And at the end, here services will be there by default. If this is purchase with goods, trading goods, purchasing and selling goods, that take goods, you have to select goods. If it is an asset, you have to take as capital asset. That is capital G and asset. Capital goods, asset. This is sorry. capital goods, and after that you come here and then control N. So come to the control N. Furniture is 3,26,000, and here furniture is an asset, that is fixed asset is an asset. So if you do a debit is a debit balance, so it automatically should debit, it will be shown on the debit side. This is the difference. Okay, this asset. Then HDFC Bank. Then HDFC Bank means HDFC Bank is current account in bank, HDFC Bank. So that will come under bank account. If it is overdraft, it will come overdraft, it will be a liability. Bank account is an asset, that is our money is in the bank, in the current account. And here we come this side and here. And you can go control end, come to the last amount is 91,000. So this is the asset to be dividend that is also added to the debit amount. Okay. So these four are created, and when we create, we enter the opening balance also. And in this case, in the case of the other two, profit and loss account cash, they are already created, they are available by default. So go to the cash. So already it is default. So from there itself, go to end. From there itself, go to end. That is control end. The balance is 12,000. 12,000. Cash in hand is an asset. So it is a debit balance, automatically debit. So for debit is added 4,29,000. Debit side total is 4,29,000. 4,29,000. And the other one is profit and loss account. Go to the profit and loss account. So this is also default, created by default. We need that anything. So control end. Come to the end, and in the end the balance is 32,000. So it is a liability. Profit is a liability. Profit and loss account. On the liability side means it is profit. Profit is a liability. So 32,000. So under that it will be a credit balance. So it will take credit. That is added to the credit. So both the sides 429, 429, 429, and there is no difference. And so like this we completed the first one. The second one, now we require some ledgers and stock items. Ledgers can be created when you are making that. We will check up. We will take up when you are creating that. When you are later, when you are making the entries, we can see the ledgers. Now we will see the stock items. In this case, for the stock items, you have to check out. Go to stock item. Go to stock item. So before that, what you have to do is when you are creating the stock items we purchase, they are all raw material. So we have to create a group, a raw material group. When you are making entry also you can create. So raw material you can create, and here should the quantities of items be added? Yes, because when you are purchasing it will be added to the stock. When you are selling it will be reduced. And all other details we will do the details in the stock items. Accept. So this is accepted for finished goods. That is for raw material. And we are making the chocolate cake. It is a finished goods. That also we will create now. So finished goods will create items to be added. Yes. And then so these two are created. And now the stock items purchased, that is raw material purchase, will be stored in raw material godown. After manufacturing, this will be, this manufactured finished goods will be stored in finished products godown or finished goods godown. So two godowns also we require. So this we can create later also. Godowns. So I created, see, finished goods godown. That's all. Under primary. Raw material godown we purchase. That another one is there. That we will take up later. Okay. Now, so godowns and all this created, and we require the units when we are creating. So cages we are purchasing and making the cake also in cages. So cages we require, and eggs we are purchasing in pieces. So pieces we require, and for these cages there are grams also, because when you are purchasing in cages for manufacturing 1 unit of the raw material in finished goods. So we use the raw material in less quantity, that is in another unit, that is grams. So we use in grams. So kgs and grams. So this is called as alternative. There are 2 units. This is called as related to each one. It is called as this is called as alternate unit. So for kg, alternative grams. So these 2 we require. So stock item before that, go to unit. So first we create kg, kilograms full name, kgs, that is the unit code. And here for kilograms, we require the alternate unit grams. So there are 1000 grams is 1 kilo. So 999 grams, there are up to 999 grams. So there are, that is 3 digits. If it is 4 digits means kg. So 3 digits are select for this kilogram. And then pieces. So X we purchase in PCS, and pieces if we take it. For pieces there is no decimal points. So this is accepted. And then grams we take. So GMS grams we require, grams full name, and GMS gram. And for grams, there is no lesser unit for grams. So there is no decimal places. So these three we create. We require kgs and pieces. For kgs, we require alternate unit grams. Okay. And now we create stock item. When you are creating stock item, when you are creating stock item, then you are creating the stock item. So here, when you are creating the stock items, so first of all, you will go to see here what are the stock items required. What are the stock items required? These are the stock items you purchased. These are the items required. All are same. Okay. So these are the stock items required, and you will take up either this one or this one. All are same. So first of all, you take up butter. You will take up butter. You will say butter. So all the material purchasing is raw material. So it comes under raw material. The main unit is kg. And now here, I will tell you. And now after the kg, we require the alternate unit also. That is, we are purchasing in kg and we are using for each product manufactured 1 unit of the finished goods, we require alternate unit. So that's why we have to create here. After this, we require alternate unit here. So for kg, what is the alternate unit? Gram. So that we have to specify here. For that, go to F12. So after the unit of measure, see alternate unit. So make it yes. So you get yes. So here, after the main unit, then go to the alternate unit. What is the alternate unit? For kg, it is grams. It is grams. And here, how many units of the alternate unit will be equal to one main unit? So 1000 grams is equal to 1 kilogram. And then come this is applicable. And here come take it as specified details here. So all the taxable items, I am giving 1, 2, 3, 4. And here again specify the details here. Taxable, all are good items. I am giving 5%. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5% for taxable items. Okay. The next one. So this is one. And another one is butter, chocolate, unsweetened. So chocolate unsweetened. For this also, you take up the raw material, kgs, and alternate is grams. So 1000 grams is equal to 1 kilo, and these are the taxable. So 1, 2, 3, 4, taxable 5%. Okay, 5%. And one more thing I forgot here. Butter. After this, you see after this, there is one more field after the goods, one more field. So these are the 2 units. In which unit, main unit, which unit we will report? We report in kgs only. We report in kgs only. That is why reporting unit of measure, that is unit quantity code, is kilograms. That you have to take. If you select one in every stock item, you automatically take. Okay, this is to turn, and here also chocolate items. Here also it will take C, rate of duty, not chocolate. Okay, this one you will take up, and after that you take goods and it will take unit of reporting unit kg. So every unit, and then what is that? Then butter, then chocolate cake, and then we will go to next one is milk. So we'll go to milk. Milk, actually milk will be in liters, but it is given as gram, kilos. So we will take as kilos. Milk, raw material, kilos, and then alternate units, grams, 1000 grams. For everything you have to do. For 1000 grams, this is alternate unit. And what is the quantity? That is quantity or unit of the alternate unit equal to the main unit. And then you have to take, and milk here, milk and the X will be exempt, no tax. That's why it is given as exempted. So for that, I give another one, double one, double two, double three, and here it is given as instead of taxable, I mean exempt. Exempt, and here the same thing here. Reporting unit will be kg automatically. Okay, milk over. After that, vanilla extract. So vanilla extract will take up vanilla extract raw material kg and alternative grams, 1000 grams, 1000 grams will be 1 kg. Here this is taxable, 1 to 3 taxable and goods. I mean reporting it is taking automatically by this one. And then salt. Yes, sir, it is salt it will take. Raw material, all these are raw material only. Raw material, main unit of it is kg and alternative is grams. 1000 grams equal to 1 kg. These are the taxable, so 5%. And then this is automatically it will take. Goods to take the reporting, it will take automatic reporting unit. That's forward. Then sugar. Then we take sugar. These are the raw material kg and then grams. 1000 grams is equal to 1 kg. These are taxable 1, 2, 3, 4. Taxable 5%. So automatically the reporting unit will take automatically. So here automatically to take the reporting unit kgs. Okay, and then flour. Then take flour. So raw material kgs and alternate unit grams. 1000 grams is equal to 1 kg. This is taxable and it is given 5%. And unit K, I mean reporting unit kgs. Over. And then X you will take out. Then you take up X. So X raw material pieces. For the pieces, there is no alternate unit. For kg, grams alternate unit. For pieces, no alternate unit. So you take up not applicable. And here it is also exempted. You will take up double one, double two, double three, and here you take up exempt. Since there is no alternate unit, here there is no reporting of the, that is what we call reporting. There is no reporting after the course. There is no reporting unit because there is no alternate unit. There is the alternate unit. Which unit you report? Kg, grams. Which one you report? So we take the reporting unit as kg. But here there is no alternate unit. So take X and then baking powder. Then baking powder. Take raw material, kgs and alternate unit 1000 grams is equal to 1 kg. These are taxable 5%, and reporting unit kg. So we completed this one also. Okay, and then now we go to this one. So for manufacturing that, we purchase the raw material from Heritage Foods, Jivada, with this invoice number. So now we will go to vouchers. So voucher. So we will take up the date 1st April. Here it is given 1st September. We are taking 1st April. We are taking purchase, and here this is the invoice number. So take the invoice number. Alt Control C, Control V. And where we purchase from Heritage Foods. So we purchase from Heritage Foods. So here, how we are creating, we have to create that. So here itself, we can create Alt C. Here, when I come to this place, when you come to this field, so we can create by clicking Alt C, by clicking Alt C, or just see here. If it is not there, so here also create button. By clicking it also, you can create. So I already created. So I taking this here. Sunday creditors, bill by bill, everything is taken. And then here you do the address. State, don't forget. State you must be careful. This is Vijayawada, that is Andhra Pradesh. And they have to give the Andhra Pradesh number. Accept. So that is accepted. I know all the details are shown here. Then is here. Here you see one thing. Here. State is his state. That is the state of this party. And place of supply is we are purchasing means our place is the supply place. So here their state and our place. When you are selling, so their state and the place of supply also their place. So both will be the same in sales. In purchases, their state will be here. Here our state is the place of supply. Accept. And here we have to create purchase. You are purchasing. So I have to create purchase. So Alt C, purchase account. Purchase account, it comes under purchase account can be created in different names. Purchase account, purchases, local purchases, interstate purchases, GST purchases, IGST purchases, like that you can create the purchase account in different names. However, whatever the name you give, it comes under purchase accounts. It comes under purchase accounts, and here just you GST applicability, yes, don't give any details here because this details of HSN code and are given in the some what you call stock item. And here by the default, it will be service. These purchase are goods for sale and purchase. We select goods. So for assets, we have selected capital goods. For purchase and sale of goods, we select goods. Okay, that's it. So purchases, what are the things we purchase? And here godowns also given. So raw material we are purchasing and stored in the raw material godown. Okay. So first of all, what are the things purchased? Butter. So take butter. You take BUT. So butter. What is the godown? Raw material godown. Just click R to show raw material godown. And raw material godown. How much you are purchasing? 6 kg. So here, if you 6, so if you give any value, directly to get the main unit. 6 is kg. So if you click 6 kg, so we have given number of decimal places 3. That is why 6.000. If it is 6.5 kg, 6.5, 6.500 like that. And then it is converted, the alternate units are shown in brackets. 6,000 grams. 6 kg is equal to 6,000 grams. Rate is 200 rupees per kg. Okay, so next second one, sugar. If you take sugar, so all are stored in raw material code only. Just click R and the quantity 12 kgs 80 rupees per kg. 12 kgs 80 rupees per kg. See, 12 kgs 12,000 grams. Okay, 80 rupees per kg. The next one is chocolate unsweetened. Chocolate unsweetened. Raw material code only and the quantity 5 kg 650 each. 5 kg 650 each kg. 5 kg 5,000 grams. Okay, alternate unit will be shown in brackets. And the next one is flour. Flour you are purchasing. Flour also raw material go down and the quantity 15 kg 45 each. 15 kg 45 each kg. 45 per kg. Okay, it is purchased. And then milk. So milk we are purchasing. Milk also raw material go down and quantity it is actually it's not kgs. Latest only is done in kgs. So 12 kgs. So 12 kgs, 12,000 grams. 12 kgs, 70 rupees per kg. Okay. The next one is eggs. So we'll take up eggs. Eggs, raw material go down. Quantity is eggs 100 pieces. 100 pieces. 100 pieces. There are no alternate unit. That's why in bracket there is no alternate unit. Rate is 4 rupees per piece. 4 rupees per piece. Per piece, there is no alternate unit. Okay, next one is vanilla extract. Vanilla extract, raw material go down, and the quantity is vanilla extract 2 kg 1,000 rupees each. 2 kg 2,000 grams 1,000 rupees each. 2 kg 1,000 rupees each. And the next one baking powder. Baking powder. Next one is baking powder, raw material go down, and this one 1 kg 3,700 rupees per kg. 3,700 rupees per kg. 1 kg means 1,000. 1 kg means 1,000 grams. The next one is salt. Salt, raw material go down. Also 1 kg 40 rupees per kg. 40 rupees per kg. So these are the materials we purchase. And then there is no other, after this, there is no other unit. So again, click, come down to the total. Come down to the total. And now here we have to charge the tax. Here this is from other state, that is Andhra Pradesh. So IGST you have to check. Suppose if you take CGST, the amount will not be, tax will not be calculated. You have to take IGST. To take IGST, tax is calculated. Okay, here the problem, the amount is 13,965, but we got only 30,664 because in this problem, all items are taxable. Tax is charged. But in our problem, what we did, milk and eggs, we have made exempted. So there is no tax. That is why the amount is okay. So new reference. So we purchase. So we purchase. So after purchasing the goods, what we will do? We have to manufacture. For manufacturing, we have to, for manufacturing, we have to go, we have to use a voucher, manufacturing voucher or manufacturing journal. So for making the manufacturing journal, for making that in the manufacturing journal, so for the manufacture of some quantity of the finished goods, we have to enter. So manually, if you want manually enter the raw material required, the quantity required for the production, that is the number of units produced. That one, everything you have to enter manually in such a case. So one all single unit will not be a problem. But if there are two items, then it will be a problem for calculation. That's why always use automatic method. For that purpose, you have to make bill of material means for manufacture of 1 unit of the finished goods, what is the material required and what is the quantity required. That list we have to, that is called list of material. That is list of components. If you prepare the list, so when you are entering, if you do the material name, that is finished goods name, automatically the bill of material name will display and the material and the godown will display. And if you do the quantity, automatically it will take the quantity, that is the quantity produced into the quantity of the material required for manufacturing 1 unit. So with that, it will be multiplied and the total amount will be given as per the purchase rate. So now what we have to do? We have to make the bill of material. So the bill of material will be made for the one, it will be made for what to do? It will be made for the finished goods, bill of material. So what is the raw material required for manufacturing of the finished goods, 1 unit of the finished goods? So for that purpose, we have to make the, we have to create the finished goods. So alter, I already created, that's why I'm going on. Otherwise, you go to create, then go to the item to create the finished goods. But I have to create it. That's why I'm going to alter, and go to stock item. In the stock item, chocolate cake is the finished goods. So for manufacture one chocolate cake, that is the manufacturing of chocolate cakes. So for manufacturing of a chocolate cake, so chocolate cake, it comes under finished goods. It comes under finished goods. The item which you use is cages, and here also this will be produced in cages and sold in cages. Okay, that cage means if you sell half kg, you will take it as what you do? You will get 0.5 kg or 500 g, 500 grams. It will be half kg. So there is no alternative for this one. For kg there is alternative, but the chocolate cake, other items, raw material purchase, for everyone there is alternative except X. But for calculation of the finished goods, there is no alternative unit. Okay, this one. And here one more thing. Here we have to give one option. What is the material required and what is the quantity required for manufacture of 1 unit of the chocolate cake? For manufacturing 1 unit of chocolate cake, what is the material and what is the quantity required? That is called as bill of material or list of components. So that we have to create here. For that, go to F12. So here, alternate unit, then the set components list. Components are whatever it may be, raw material, components, everything will be the same. That's called as bill of material. You make this, yes. You make it, yes, and accept. So here, additional details, alter, because we are making some other videos also. That's why, first of all, it will show set or alter, set the materials required, called bill of list of components. But after that, next time onwards, it will show alter. So here it will come to this. So this is not available. Then come down, make it, yes, you have to make the bill here. So it will show bill of material list for the chocolate cake. And you have to give them, this is the chocolate, give the finished goods. For that, you have to give the name for this name. That also you have to give chocolate cakes. We'll do chocolate cakes. This is the cake. So bill of material for this one and the components of chocolate cake. So for how much? For 1 unit of the manufacture, what is the material required? So for 1 unit, you have to take 1 kg is kg. So 1 kg of manufacturing the cake, what is the material required? Here, material required is given here. All the materials required here. Materials required. Go down is raw material go down only. So first of all is butter. So butter it will take. If you see raw material go down, take R only. Raw material go down. So what is the quantity required? 90 grams. So if you give 90 here, so main unit is kg. If you give value, directly to take kg. See here, you take 90 kg. But actually it is not 90 kg. What is the 90 grams? So you use 90 and then give the alternate unit first word, first letter. G. Use 90 grams. So automatically that 90 grams will be converted into kgs. 90 grams is 0.090 kg. It will be converted into kgs automatically. It will be converted into main unit and the alternative will be shown in the bracket. Okay, everything like that. Except pieces. So for pieces, there is no alternative. Butter, chocolate, unsweetened, the raw material go down, and then requirement is 70 grams. 70 G, don't forget that. If you do 70 to take 70 kg, 70 grams. The next one is milk. Take milk, raw material go down. What is the requirement? Which is 150 grams. 150 G, 150 grams. Then vanilla extract, raw material go down, vanilla extract required is 15 grams, 15 G. So 15 grams, vanilla required. Then salt, raw material go down, and the requirement is 10 grams. Then G. Don't forget this one. Don't forget this grams. That is, don't forget the alternate units. If you do that, it will be automatically converted into the main unit, and the alternate will be shown in the brackets. And then salt, then sugar. Then sugar, raw material go down, sugar requirement is 150 grams. Suppose we give you 150 to take 150 kg, 1,50,000 grams. Okay, it is 150 grams only. 150 grams. And then flour, raw material go down, and 350 grams. 350 G, 350 grams. And then eggs. So eggs, you take raw material go down. Eggs require 3 pieces. 3 pieces. For pieces, there is no alternative. Okay. Then baking powder. Baking powder from raw material go down and 10 grams required. 10 grams. So all these are completed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, totally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 material. So this is the thing. So we completed the bill of material. Then come to this side. Tax applicable. This is taxable. It is a finished goods. That's why I'm giving different things. 111, 222. Yeah. 111, 222 is the HSN code. It is taxable. So since it is also food item, we are giving 5%. And here also, for this, there is no alternate unit. So here, after that, there will be no reporting unit. It will be recorded in the main unit only. Accept. So after completing this one, now we will go to the voucher. So in the voucher, what we have to do now, we have to do purchase we made. Now we have to manufacture the goods. For manufacturing goods, we have to use manufacturing voucher. We have to use manufacturing voucher. Go to other vouchers. So it's not available here. Inventory vouchers. Go to show inactive. So here also inventory voucher is not available. So that we have to create. We have to create. So either go to create button and select voucher type, or go to alter button, or you go to voucher type, then create. In this one, not available. So create like this. So what I am creating is manufacturing voucher. You can get manufacturing voucher, and it comes under stock journal only. It's in the manufacturing voucher. It receives the raw material from the raw material go down, manufactures the goods, and it will send to the finished goods go down. It is also like transfer of material after manufacture. But this stock journal is only manufacture. So both comes in this category. This manufacturing voucher also comes under stock journal. So select the stock journal and come down. So it is activate, yes, okay, and come down here. Stock journal is only for stamping, but this manufacturing journal is used for manufacturing goods. That is why here use this voucher. Use this voucher as a manufacturing journal. Make it yes. Make it yes. And say okay. Now, so this is we go to vouchers. So here go to other vouchers. See manufacturing voucher is available. Alt F7. Stock journal also Alt F7. That is why you can click here. By going here, you can click here, or in the voucher, you can click all F7. If you click that, it will show both. So what you require? First, transferring stock, only transfer of stock, stock journal. For manufacturing voucher, we will take. So when they are manufactured, company manufactured 30 kgs of chocolate on 2nd. So we will take up 2nd April. And what is the product we manufactured? Chocolate cake. So if you take this product, final product means finished goods, automatically it will do. For this finished goods, we prepared, we made complete, we created a bill of material. We gave the name also. So the name will come automatically. So as per the name, what is the number of items required? That is the raw material required and the go down it will show. Okay. So cake I'm taking, take the cake, automatically the bill of material name also is given. So these two. So as per the bill of material, so these are the material required from this go down. But quantity is not shown. Quantity depends on the manufacturing of the quantity manufactured. If you manufacture 10 items, it will come accordingly. If you manufacture 50 items, it will come accordingly. And after manufacturing, you will transfer to finished goods. Finished goods. In this case, what is the required manufacturing quantity is 30. So go to here. Here, go to 30. If you go to 30, here you see in this case, see, we are manufacturing 30. So 30 kgs we are manufacturing. For each kg, what are the quantities? Into 90 grams means total 2,700 grams required. So 2,700 grams means 1,000 grams is 1 kg divided by 1,000, so it will 2.7 kgs required for making 30. So butter required for making 30 cakes will be 2.7 kg. So we are here 30 are given. So enter automatically it will calculate. So 30 into 90 grams will be 2,700 grams. It will convert into kgs 2.7 kg. 2.700. 200 rupees is purchase price. Like this. For salt. Hmm. For salt, it is 330 into 10, 300 kg. Amount is not shown here. Salt. We will go back and we go back and so here the table you purchase salt. Acha, salt is missing here. Milk, yes, salt is missing. Because milk, acha, acha. Milk is taken twice. Milk is taken twice. Salt purchase 1 kg. So milk is taken twice. It is salt. It is salt. So 1 kg, 40 rupees na. Salt, 40 rupees per kg. So salt is taken instead of that is taken. So now it becomes. No? Now you go to vouchers, Alt F7, Alt F7, manufacturing voucher. That is 2nd April, we purchase, we manufactured, and chocolate cake. That is the very finished goods, wrapped into, and 30, so here it is taken down. Okay. Go. Yeah. So all the material, everything is there. So total material cost is see 4,980 is the total material cost. And after that, after entering that, you come to this side. So here, when you are manufacturing, to get any co-product or byproduct or scrap, so that will be entered here because that will be sold to others and you get some money. So the cost will be reduced. There is no sin. And after that, when again, in addition to the material cost, there will be some more additional expenses also. that you have to give here the expense name. If it is given in percentage, give the percentage automatically be calculated. If it is given in value, instead of percentage, you give the amount. So here you see, here these are the required. And in addition to this, so this is 30 cakes prepared. So the additional to that, labor charges 1,000 rupees paid. So here labor charges. So here take labor charges is there. So already I created. So how you create labor charges? It is for manufacturing. Direct expenses you will take up available, and it is service by default it will be service accept. Okay, and here 1,000 rupees is given, no percentage given. So go to the value 1,000 rupees. Which one? The second one is and other expenses. Factory electricity. To take factory. So factory electricity, it is given as 10% of the material cost. You 10%, automatically 10% of the material cost. Then factory rent 5%. Again, if it is factory rent is given as 5%. And then after that, administrative expenses, admin expenses are given. So these admin expenses are taken as indirect expenses because administration expenses for the factory as well as for the office, totally it will be, I am taking as indirect expenses. Administration means some supervisors will be there. So that is why they are taken as indirect expenses. How much it is given? 2% of the material, 2% given. And then other one is carriage expenses. Carriage expenses, this is also called carriage invoice also is given as 1% of the material cost. Okay, now, so 4,984 rupees the material cost. Additional expenses are 1,897.82. Total amount is 6,807. 6,881.70 the total cost. So divided by, we manufactured 30 kgs. So 30 kgs divided by means 229.3039. After this, if this will be deleted. If it is more than 5 or more, then it will be added. So it will be 40. Okay. So this is the manufacturing cost. This is the manufacturing cost. That is for each cake. The rate is that each kg of the cake, 1 kg cake, that rate is 229.39 per kg. So this is okay. Now this will be sold. If it is sold, who will enter? But here some additional thing is given. Out of the 30 kgs manufactured, 20 kgs of the plate produced, they are transferred from finished goods. So this type of bakery item, all this will be stored in the finished goods, and whenever required, it will be sent, it will be transferred to the store or the bakery. And here, only 20 kgs are transferred to the bakery. So bakery, there is one more godown required. So for that purpose, I created here. I created bakery also. So bakery, go down, you can say or simply you can say bakery. So bakery I created, we transfer to bakery. And for transferring that to the bakery, we have to use how transfer of material, not manufacturing. So for transfer of material, what we have to use? We have to use Alt F7 stock journal. This means transfer of material only. See here, manufacturing journal, manufacture of material. Alt F7. Stock journal is select. Alt F7. So if you take stock journal, it is transfer of material. So now here, from which go down, what is the item, and which go down, and what is the quantity we are transferring, and to which go down we are transferring, and what is same item, to which go down we are transferring. That is from finished goods we are transferring to bakery. What is the quantity? Same quantity we are transferring. 20 pages we are transferring. So the same cost per unit that will be shown here. Okay, but here when you are transferring the material from one godown to another godown, that is from finished goods to what you call bakery, we may incur some expenses for transportation. That will be added to the cost for selling the cake. So it is not manufacturing cost. It is additional cost for transfer of material. So in this case, what we have to do is, so we have to make one alter. We have to make one setting here. Go to alter, go to voucher type, and here go to stock journal. In the stock journal, in addition to the cost of the goods, cost of manufacturing, we have to add the here in this case if there is any expense, in this case, transport to go down and incurred 478 as transport to by cash. Revise the cost of the goods with transport expense. So the cost of goods should be revised with this transport charges. So additional expenses are there. So for this purpose, what we have to do is come down here, got it. After that, it is not going to manufacturing. This is not manufacturing. For manufacturing, we made yes, but here it is not manufacturing. Only stock transfer. For that, additional cost you have to incur. That additional cost you have to make. So make yes, yes, accept. So additional cost is made yes. Now you will go to voucher, Alt F7, go to this one on same date, second April. Okay. We are transferring the chocolate cake. Transferring the chocolate cake from each goods. And how much quantity we are transferring? Only 20 cakes. 20 kgs we are transferring, not 30 kgs. Manufactured 20 kgs at the rate 210.39%. And here, the same cake, chocolate cake, we are transferring to bakery. We are transferring to bakery and the same 20 kg we are transferring. Okay. So in addition to this, we are entering 478 rupees. So 478 rupees divided by what 20 kg. So for each kg, the transport charges are 23.9. That means including this 229.39 means the total cost will be 253.29. That is the total cost including the transport charges. So here, after that, enter. So we have made the option there. So additional cost is to be there. What is the additional cost here given? Transport charges. So here, carriage expenses were that is called carriage invoice. This is transport charges. So now go to transport charges. I have created transport charges. This is also direct expense because it is added to the cost of that is the value of that. So only at the end, it is only service. Okay, accepted. Okay, and here also, if it is given in percentage, you will take the percentage. If it is given an amount, you will take the amount. 478 rupees. 478. If you enter. See, so now, including this cost, the cost is increased to 453.29. 453.29. Okay, and now here 253.29. That is the 253.29 is the cost now, including the expenses, into 20. So it will be 5,065. That is the new cost, or including the expenses. That's all. You have to. So if there is expenses, we have to when you are creating when you are in this all in the voucher type in the stock journal you have to make the additional cost. If there is additional cost, you have to make it yes. Then it will record the additional cost. It will ask you to give the additional cost percent of the amount. It will automatically it will add to the cost of the goods, cost of the finished goods. This is about the making the previously we made with the same unit. That's okay. The same work here we did in different way with two quantity, two units, that is alternate units. So in the case of alternate units, how to do it? So this is about the manufacturing, automatic manufacturing entry with different units. Okay, that is we call it as with alternate units. Okay, so this is about this one. So with this I close this session and wish you all the best. Wish you all the best. Thank you. Bye.